In this video you will see how to add picture in PowerPoint. First you need to click on the slide where you want to add a picture. Next you will need to click here on the home tab and you will see the option of picture. Click on the picture drop down and you will see here different options. So if you have a picture on your computer, you will need to click on picture from file or picture from computer. After clicking, you will see these pictures located on your computer. You just have to click on the picture and then press insert on your computer. The image will be added to the PowerPoint slide. You may want to resize the picture according to your need, and if you want this picture to cover the entire slide in the background, you can do that as well, like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about PowerPoint quickly. See you again in the next one.